scroll up so fast. Followers chase shadows they cast. Promises of a future so fast. Building faith that's gonna last. Cult of code, we're in the show. We follow, they never slow. Cult of code, no truth to show. In the shadows we grow. Cult of code, we're in the show.
Hey, bruh, how's it going?
We follow, they never slow. Cult of code, no truth to show. In the shadows we grow. Streamers chant, it's all in sync. Followers on the brink. Join the cult, they don't think. It's a potion we drink. Symbols and scripts, sacred signs. Blindly we read between lines.
Why is the sound not working?
Minds lost in all their designs. Cult of code.
Hang on. Weird.
We're in the show. We follow, they never slow.
Oh, there we go.
Cult of code, no truth to show. In the shadows we grow. Cult of code, we're in the show.
Hey, Marco and X, good to see you, man. You're indeed first.
In the shadows we grow.
Hang on, everyone. I'm just getting set up here, and I'll start in a minute. I won't do a very long stream today, but I thought I'd jump on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Marco. Yeah. All right. I think I'm good to go. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. For all of you who are here. All right, so I have to get a few things done here. So I figured I would this is one of the projects that I can work on stream. So I figured I'd just spend a few hours, spend like 1 or 2, probably 2 hours, working on this. And yeah. And ChatGPT opened up search. Oof. Oof. Google's dead. That's it. Google is dead. Hang on. I do not have. I do now. All right. Let me change the camera angle a little bit. There, now you can see me a little better, and I can work. All right, so essentially what I'm trying to do here, I'll just talk as I work, and you guys can hit me with whatever. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna get through 3 minutes of ads on Twitch. Just get the ads over with. Sorry, because there's like 3 people on Twitch. Okay, so I'm trying to replicate which one here? This one. The explore page here. So I think on the home page I already have something. Yeah, featured influencer. So yeah. What is this app? It's an app I'm working on with a colleague, like a friend / colleague, who's a very good marketer, and we're hoping we can turn this into a little side business with a bit of marketing magic. So I gotta build out some stuff here, using Laravel to do it. So I just need to get through some things. I'm really close to having a bunch of functionality done that we need, and yeah. And essentially it's just a way for you to find places that your favorite content creators have stayed at before, like if they've stayed at a hotel or like a special place, and then you can find out where they've stayed, or you can, as a content creator, you can find places to stay that give you like special deals or whatever for being a content creator in exchange for a little bit of clout. That's kind of the concept. Alright, so I gotta find the featured. Your favorite content creator is Doraemon? I've heard of Doraemon. I can't say that I really know Doraemon very well. Yeah. AO encodes. Well, rip, yeah. Yeah, I guess you gotta learn some more stuff, Owen. You got it though. You got it, man. It was your first shot, so. So we're going to call this one Explore. Let's say Explore Creators. Okay. We don't need this commented out. We've got the carousel. Let's see if the carousel works correctly. Right. I need the search. I need tabs. And then I need the featured. So I'm missing a variable. Total creators. Total creators. Where's that? Oh, it's here. Got it. Okay, so if we're going to do a route, we have to name our route. Stays, creators. I don't think we need any of the stay stuff. This is just for creators. Look at, it is that easy. See what happens here. That ain't right. Oh, of course. It's because I'm silly. Could be a Chrome extension for Google Maps. Yeah, I could do that. Need another feature, live location of my favorite content creator. Sure, Raj. I'll get right on that. I'll just dox myself. Just for you, Raj. Let's take the search out of home. Wait. Where's search? Don't dox yourself, Dad. Okay, son. It's good to have kids who, you know, look after you, right? Why is this taking so long? What? No, do this. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is what we want. We're gonna put it, hang on, let me go look at the... Alright, gonna have to fix the CSS because it's terrible, but that'll do. Made some good pasta for dinner. Good job, Owen. That's the way to do it. Hey LS, how you doing, man? Ah, Travis, you absolute madman. You of all people do not have to be doing that. I appreciate it, Travis. 6-month subscriber. Holy cow. One of the OGs. If you're not following Travis, You need to be. If you have any amount of respect for what I do, which I don't know why you would, but if you do, go follow Travis. You would if you got the job. Thanks, Owen. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I don't know why you would. I don't know why you would respect anything I do. I barely respect anything I do. Ah, thanks, Travis. You're a good man. I appreciate it, Travis. But seriously, go follow Travis. You really need to be. Absolutely, Travis. You got it, man. Oh, that's what I need to do. Alright. Margin 0 px auto. I'll have to change the colors and stuff, but hey. Tis be working. So I'll go like probably something like, okay, hang on. I would need, come on, like, can you just not select things, please? Yeah. There we go. Okay. So I could just grid it up with columns, I guess, and a border at the bottom, and that's about it. Border bottom, I don't know, black? Sure. Let's go bold. We'll pretend we're here. I mean, we kind of are here, but yeah, Raj, it is. I did. It was not fun, man. I wouldn't recommend it. Hey, Ghost Magic, I'm doing well, man. How are you doing? Riz, damn. Thank you, Riz. Subscribing for 7 months. You're crazy, Riz. Good to see you, Riz. I appreciate the sub, man. I really do. Thank you. Have a good day, whatever you're up to. You were thinking your life is bad, Raj? Yeah, everyone has their own thing, man. It's we shouldn't be competing for who has it worse. You know what I'm saying? It's probably not a competition anybody wants to win. Geez, I have a hype train. Thanks to Travis and Riz, I have a hype train. That's funny. Justify content. There we go. That's what I was looking for. And then padding. No, gap. Cap. I don't know. 10px. Sure. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. So we've got the featured influencers. Oh, we're going to call it featured creators. Featured creator. Where on earth is that? Oh, it's right there. And then down here, we're going to have more creators. So I guess what we would do, column. I think I gotta do that, yeah, and then add a gap, and we'll, I don't know, we'll just do something here, just something to get it. That should be, whoops, be what? I think I did 3 rows. Yeah, there we go. More creators. More creators for your life. You know what you're missing in your life? More content stuff. Let me take out, no. Let me take out HX offline. I think this is causing issues. No, what is taking so long? What is taking a hot minute to load? Oh. Oh, it's the stupid pictures. Got it. Alright, we'll fix that. We'll fix that. We'll fix it. I found it. This is similar. What you talking about, Raj? Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I guess it would be similar. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, Raj. What do I think of Tailwind? It's fine. I think, well, it is a personal opinion. I like Tailwind back in V2 and previous. As soon as Tailwind went the road of having to compile your classes, I think they went too far. It's an abstraction layer over top of CSS, and I just don't think it's needed. I think it's nice because it caters to people who don't want to wrangle their CSS in the standard way, but it also caters to the lowest common denominator, and you know how much I hate when libraries and frameworks cater to the lowest common denominator. Yeah. Yeah, he hates you now. I mean, Tailwind v3, I wouldn't use it personally. I wouldn't like it. I'd rather just roll my own CSS. I don't want to be building my CSS with I don't know, the CSS has come a long way, and I just don't think you need to be adding a compile step. I think it's just too much. Just focus on what your app needs. Stop trying to bring the kitchen sink into it and then having to build it. I don't like that. But that's a personal opinion. CSS is greater than Rust. Yeah. CSS is greater than C. Damn, you guys woke up and chose violence today. The rise of Tailwind is a testament to state of IT industry today. It's one, I think, yeah. I think the way that Tailwind went is one indicator. For sure. Yeah, you guys fight. You guys fight. I want to see a fight. Hey, Anthony. Oh, Anthony, I mean. Sorry. Anthony on YouTube. I am Greek, yeah. I'm quite Greek. Born and raised in Athens. and moved to Canada with my family when I was a kid. That's where I'm at now. I think all I really need to do, I just have to go like this, and then I can go explore stays. And here, and then I just need to change this. That, and then I can just copy the action, which is here. Make it really easy. Just rename everything too. That was dumb. Okay. Wow. No wonder I don't have a job. Hey Shreyas, good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. You're good? Good, man. Glad to hear that. That's what I want to hear. Alright. I need to change my route to essentially this, but with stays. All right. Yep, and then I just have to change this. This is so stupid, but it shall do for now. Hey Ray on YouTube. Yeah, there's certain types of work that I have permission to stream. It's contract work because I'm not actually employed right now. It's just small contract things. Some contract things I can't stream, some contract things I can stream. And this in particular that I have on screen isn't even a contract. It's just a little side project that I've agreed to do with someone, and I don't want to let them down, so I'm just trying to do it. It's Laravel work. I'm going to put some HTMX in it. Figured it's just something people might be interested in, Laravel and HTMX, and I'll just like quickly build something on stream and chat with you guys, and yeah. There's nothing secret about this project, so yeah, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. There's definitely some work that I have to do off stream, or like, I don't know how I would do it while I'm streaming. I would have to not show it. I guess it would just be like a just chatting stream. I don't know. Might be a little bit hard. I mean, I might be able to pull that off, but it'd be, you would just be watching me while I'm looking at my work. You can't see what I'm doing, and I would just be talking to you. I don't know, maybe. There's some stuff I want to go over tomorrow. I'm going to stream tomorrow. I want to go over the Stack Overflow data, the survey, and I want to also go over the first wow, I'm having a hard time with my brain. What do you call it? Damn, what if I can't think of the damn word, and it's so simple. It's a study. It's a scientific study. but there's another word I'm thinking of. Anyway, it's a study that I want to go over that covers something in regards to bloat and stuff in tech. I haven't picked out which one yet, but I'm going to pick one, and then I'm going to write a bit of an article over it from my Enlightened Programming website, and maybe I'll make a video or something on it. Might be an interesting thing to do on stream. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Ray, I have a friend. Ray on YouTube says, I have a friend who's obsessed with AI, who works as a social media manager, who tells me that coding is a waste of time because Commerce and Elementor website replaced web dev. What's my opinion? My opinion is that your friend is an idiot. AI will not replace coding. It has not. That is an absolutely ridiculous statement on its face. If that was the case, the industry would be in a very different place than it is now. I'm not saying it's great, but that's just your friend might not be an idiot, but it's definitely overhyped, and there's definitely a lot of ignorance around AI and what it's doing or what it can do. It's just not happening. There's e-commerce and Elementor have not replaced you. If you want to, what you can do just to prove it, you can go and look at if you go to like Upwork or Fiverr or other websites like that where they have contract gigs, you'll see how many people are asking for help on things where they're using Elementor, or things that like WordPress offers or Drupal offers, which are like e-commercey, and they can't get it to work properly. Anytime that you step up from a certain amount of complication, AI fails and all these automated tools fail. And anybody who thinks that that they're going to replace anything is just, they're out of their mind. And at the ripe old age of 40, I have seen this kind of thing come and go so many times. There are so many times when there are promises made, this thing is going to replace jobs, yada, yada, yada. And it never has. It never has. If anything, it only adds more jobs because it can't handle certain things. And then you need programmers like me to come in and fix it. There you go. How's that, Ray? And I'll take you back. Your friend's probably not stupid, just isn't fully aware of what's actually going on. There is a difference. Ray on YouTube says, I mean, this guy also says that he's a coder because he made a personal website with Node.js, but I use Copilot sometimes too. Yeah, there you go, Ray. Yeah. That's, you know, he might be a smart guy, but it's just not knowing what's actually going on, right? And like sometimes I use Copilot to help me too. I have in the past. I don't anymore because I think it's gotten much worse, and it also breaks my brain using it. But I have used it, and I know some people find it helpful. That's completely fine. But there is no way that Copilot is going to code for you at any majority measure. It's just not happening. And I don't think it ever will happen. Will happen. GPT-4o has gotten worse. No, all these things become worse because it's the in my opinion, again, it's the inherent nature of neural networks and the way that they're run, that they end up eating their own dog crap. And there's a certain point where your returns diminish, and then there's a point where you just have like negative returns, where the feedback and the propagation stuff just somehow just ruins the AI slowly but surely. And I think just throwing more parameters, you know, whatever the appropriate term is that I can't think of right now. It's not parameters, it's something else. But just throwing more at it and throwing more hardware doesn't actually solve the underlying problem. It's just, I could be wrong. Okay, I'm not an AI expert, right? I'm just saying. You tried AI girlfriend for the law and was really deluded. Yeah, Ray. Okay, this dashboard stuff doesn't make sense. If you're a creator and you're on your dashboard, yeah, this thing up here makes sense, but why would you be on the explore page? That doesn't make sense. So they probably just meant it as like filler, and I should just put in whatever I need to put in. So that's fine, I can do that. So then oh, Marco, are you getting ignored? I'm not trying to ignore you, Marco. I'm ignoring a lot of people, to be fair, Marco, okay? You can't just demand my attention, Marco. It's not how it works. It's my stream. I give attention to whoever I want. If you want attention, get your own stream. Freaking entitled, spoiled kids these days. Know what I'm saying? Pay attention to me. Ray, not really. I don't. No, not really. Yeah, you're gonna scream loud. You go for it, Marco. I'll pretend like I care. Okay, so I think I need to do like I think I need to do 2 different landing pages. But I'm kind of thinking I can just skip this and kind of leave it for later and start working on the sign up and the dashboards and actually getting content in here, cleaning up the look and feel a little bit. So let's sign in. Sign up. Now you're also pointing at the screen. Okay, Marco. Okay, Marco. Whatever, man. Sign up needs to be whatever. I should do a password confirmation on here. Okay, let me close these. That was such a stupid way to use my keyboard. Confirm password. Okay. Just feels better if I have capitals. Man. Okay. Now all I need to do is just submit a form. So I could even do form method post. I know I need CSRF. check on here. Hey Todd, yeah, I am seeing comments coming in from LinkedIn, yep. Okay, I probably need an action. Let's do it. Is this how it works? I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So we'd go sign up and we'll go sign up. And then I guess we'll need a post. And let's see if this borks. It doesn't bork, which is great. And let's say I just like do it. Sweet. We're off to the races. Hey Quad, good to see you, man. How are you, Quad? Doing car helping app right now, finishing up the car craft. Nice. I'm not sure if this is obsolete, but what I do is I'm storing all my images in a separate image table. Don't store your images in a DB, man. Just reference them. Store them somewhere else. Reference the actual image files. Yeah, just the name. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm gonna need to name my things here. So it'll be first name. No, sorry, full name. Yeah, I'll fix that. Business name. Email. Perfect. Doing some weird thing a teacher has recommended for security. Maybe you know a better way. I'm uploading the image and then I have a generated random name that overrides the original name. When the user requests the image, I rename the file back. Shreyas has got this one. You take over, Shreyas. You help ALS out. first we check is confirm password equal to password, and if it is not, I set this up. There's a way to do this. It's a message bag, right? I need to. Is my playlist gold? I'll never tell my secrets. Just replace the entire code with code to use and index the images. Don't listen to Quad, whatever you do. Search bag is empty. Any count JSON. So I probably want add. So add. Okay. Maybe just exit early. Yeah. And first, we want to access first. Where would I put the error? Let's go back. Let's just do it here. Let's see if this works. Undefined variable error. That's because it's not error. That's because it's plural. Okay. Sweet. If I do that, then next thing I need to do is let's just do something simple. We'll go, I don't know, I guess I could let's do this. Count, I guess. We could do that. I think there's an exists. be telling people that the email already exists. I'll just say cannot create your account. And let me have a look. Hmm, 3305. That's why. Okay, perfect. So let's see what happens. Should tell me could not create account. Okay, I have borked. All right. Oh, thank you, Anthony, on YouTube. I thought there was. Let me try it again. Yep, you're right. Yeah, I thought there was. I think I even said it earlier, and then I immediately proceeded to forget that I said it and not use it. But you're right, Anthony. Yes. Thank you. So assuming that everything goes well, then I'll just create an account. I'll just keep it simple. I know full name and business name are there, but whatever. Hey Justin, thank you, man. Thank you on YouTube. See you later, man. Okay, so then I'm just going to go create, and we'll go email and password. There's an MD5. No, there's a hash in encrypt, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Hashing, yeah. It's make. There we go. And I probably need to use the full. Oh man. That, and we'll go make. And then that'll be that. And so then what I could do it's like a fly in here all of a sudden. I start streaming and you guys are like so dirty. There are flies in my house. Freaking dirty chat. Chat is so dirty. Bringing flies into my house. You guys are gross and you smell, all of you. Every single one of you. Okay, now I have to decide, do I just redirect at this point? Like I could go... and then some kind of dashboard. Gotta think about this. I should probably take over the slash dashboard. That's probably what I should do. And right now this is administrative stuff. I called it slash dashboard. I was not thinking ahead. I don't know if I like that name. It's too generic. Naming things is hard. All right, screw it. Instead of moving a whole bunch of stuff around, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to essentially copy this. And I'll just go my dashboard. What the hell's going on with my typing today? There, okay. So we'll go root get slash. We'll make up an action here. Okay. Then we will redirect here. It's going to be my dashboard index. That'll be what happens. And I think base action already, yep, does a redirect. Perfect. Okay. And we'll have to go create another. Sure, let's just copy this. Create another action or a view action, I mean, to handle my dashboard. Yeah. Okay, for now. Hang on. Before I go too far down. I need to have two different dashboards. One is for creators and one is for stays, like hosts. So I'll need two different views. How would I handle it within the dashboard? I could include in the view, check for role, but then I need a role. That's actually probably the right way, because then I could have a standard dashboard, and then I could include, based on role, a sub view, which is a dashboard based on whether you're a creator or a host. And then that way I could keep a general catch-all that spans both roles. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So I could just do a okay. So let's we can kind of fake that out and test this logic a little bit. So we'll go no, I don't like that. Where is nope. Okay, sure. Like that. And I could just link away based on role. Man, I gotta think about this. My dashboard blade. Yep. I should do login. Hey Ryan, how you doing, man? All right. Mwahaha. Creator include. Let's see if this works. It does. Okay, so I have some options here. I just have to sort it out. Do I have roles? I don't have roles. I need to assign roles. Oh, I do. Oh, I already thought about it. Rolled these. Rolled these what, Ryan? User creator. These are host. And then creators and hosts. So let me go and DB tables to update based on, which I have to sort out. Okay. You made people mad? What else is new, Ryan? Oh yeah, I saw that one. Except that I agree with you, Ryan. That doesn't make me mad. That makes me like very happy. Very happy. Tailwind informs his horror so many classes. Yeah. Yeah. I do not like what Tailwind has done. Buttons and forums, yeah. Yeah, it's not great, is it? You love Tailwind? Fight me? No, I don't need to fight you, Ryan. See, this is the beautiful part. I have to do no fighting. All I have to do is let you suffer and trick yourself into thinking that you're actually doing something that's not suffering, and you're just hurting yourself. I don't even have to try. So I could pass in an initial roll, maybe? On the sign up, so I could determine who you wanted to be? Yeah. Okay. I'll put it in here as a hidden field. Tailwind plus components is so good. No more infinitely growing CSS files are important, or media queries. You don't need all of that, Ryan, but whatever, man. Hey, Anthony, thank you, man. On YouTube, feel free to check Laravel's validation. You can save tons of code. Even the check with exists with simple rules. Yeah, I think you're right, Anthony. I do need to add some validation against models, and I know that stuff's there. I've used it before. When I go back through my second pass to like clean these things up, that's one of the things I'm gonna do. But yeah, you're right. Guys, you don't have to argue with Ryan. Just let him. He's suffering from Stockholm syndrome. All you have to do is sit back and let him think that he's in like heaven, when in reality he's in hell. Just let him enjoy hell. It's fine. If he likes being in hell because he thinks that, you know, he needs all these other hellish things, then yeah. Ryan, these days you do not need an infinitely growing CSS set of files. You don't need to use important, and you don't need media queries. You're a noob. Sorry, but you're a noob. Noob alert. Yeah, right, I don't. Probably because you use Tailwind. That's what he's gonna say next. He's gonna dad joke us. Hurdy, hurdy, her. Ryan's so funny. You said it for me? Yeah, yeah, fellow dads. I'm so funny, I'm a dad. Okay, I should probably do these pages. I know, and it's pretty funny. Have I ever tried October CMS? What the hell are you talking about? Is this like one of those content management systems you can only use in the month of October? Like, what are you talking about, ALS? It's a Laravel CMS? No. No, I haven't tried it. If I do CMS in Laravel, I just roll my own. Some people use it instead of Joomla? Probably, because if you compare anything Laravel, base Laravel is like significantly better than Joomla. This is kind of a weird thing, but okay. Why are we differentiating? I guess we'd have to categorize them. I don't even think I have that in my DB. Title of this day is Poops McGee. Oh, okay. I mean, I guess I could just... Could have like a category, I guess, to stays. Do they do anything weird here on creators? No. Keyboard click sound like I'm Beethoven. Built-in bugs, chaos woven, lines of trash. Okay, I think all I'm gonna do is I'm going to not worry about all the stuff underneath here. We'll fill out the content later, and I'll use this as a landing page. Okay, your name. Got it, right. Okay, we gotta do this. Ignoring reality, blurring visions. That. Did you warn Raj? Don't do that to Raj. Raj, if you have a warning, acknowledge the warning. So you can come back in and chat. Leave Raj alone. He's stupid and ugly, but leave him alone. Emo Giraffe. What's going on, Emo? How you doing, man? Such an emo comment, I know. To think about how I'm gonna do these slash name. have to be any route not already taken by the system.
Perfect our promises, hollow vows. Every commit, another cow. Milk dry, dying systems, ignoring reality, blurring visions. I'm a programmer, lost at sea.
So I'd have to get like a list of routes. NVIDIA and Linux is even worse than water and oil. Yep. So probably an action to check if a route is taken, maybe. Which means I have to pass in the route in here. Pass in route chosen by creator, ensuring it's not a reserved or already taken route. Then include it as a hidden field in this form. You hated the day. I hated the day I was born trying to set up the drivers. Were you trying to set up the drivers on the day you were born? That might be the issue. Babies can't do NVIDIA Linux drivers. So I don't know what you were thinking. This might be a you issue, email. Just use Arch Linux, right? You will use Archie like your wife and kids. Fair, Ryan. Hey Kale, good to see you, man. How you doing? Pretty good? Nice. Like creator, sign up, host, sign up. I guess I need like, yeah. Just need 2 different paths, and then it'll lead to the sign up page, and it'll pass some parameters. Yeah. now the next question. Okay, so if I do this here, if you try to claim this sub, like this sub URL, I should probably figure out where I'm gonna check if you can actually claim it. I could do it on the sign up, but then I have to add it on the sign up. Maybe I do it here. I gotta think about this. It'd be nice to just return the view straight up. Screw it. Just do this. Create a new action. Creator sign up. Dev, I don't know who am I. Most cursed comments. That's what my stream is, man. I don't know what I did to deserve this kind of hate in chat. Such a hateful chat on technology, but Dev, that's how it is, man. It'd be what? Creator path. Check if path is taken. If not, redirect to sign up. Pass path as part of redirect. Okay. Damn construction. I'll just copy this and I'll go travel and stay for free. I'll just okay, now what we're going to do is like a form. Okay. Column. flame, I don't know, path? What did I call it? I've already forgotten what I called it. Creator path. I'll put the value in later. So I guess it would be like no, I'll have to style it so it looks better. I'll have to do like a weird styling thing here so that this is the only part that's editable. Inline style for life, yeah. It's just I just don't know what styles I need yet because I don't know how far I'm gonna take this. So I'm winging it, and then I'll go through and clean it all up. I'll put it on the proper style sheet and stuff, but yeah. And there goes Ryan, still noobing out over Tailwind. Okay, and I'll stop it there. I don't need to finish it all here. Okay, I'm getting there. Thanks, Panda. Thanks for the lurk, man. Did I just do? There we go. Be back later. What kind of degeneracy is going on here? Hey, Sergeant, how you doing, man? Hope you're doing well. The standard type of degeneracy, where I'm writing like the most terrible code to just get something out the door. And it's terrible and it's disgusting, but it works. Clean it up later. I probably want to put a gap in here. Terrible and disgusting, but it works. Spirit on TM. Yeah, it should be trademarked. Should be trademarked this year, 2024 AD. You got to put the AD in there. It's important. Because like you don't know who's gonna get confused, right? Like Caspiro sounds like it could be like an old name from BC. So you might put that out there, and everyone would be like, 2024 what? Is this like some genius Greek person that we've never heard of before? Is this like some Aristotle level crap? And then you have to clarify and be like, no, it's 2024 AD. So no, he's just a noob on Twitch. It says Ryan the Tailwind noob. Friggin' Ryan with his Tailwind. There's so many different things you have to do with CSS. You literally have to do none of them. Yeah, but I have to do them. It's because you're a noob. Yeah, but Tailwind. Yeah, noob. I was writing CSS while half of chat was still in diapers, and yet they know how to write better CSS than you. What are you gonna say to that, Ryan? Ryan thinks he's hot crap, huh? Ryan has a family and a few kids, and he's like, all of a sudden he thinks he just knows everything? Jeez, Ryan. From my DX, yeah, Skull, right? Hey, Skull, how you doing, man? Good to see you. If anybody else is lurking on stream, feel free to say hi. I think I'll probably shut this down in 30 minutes. What brings you over here, Skull? Actually, you might have been here before, Skull. I think I recognize your name. I could be wrong. Try and make it a habit to recognize people's names and, like, you know, be a bit personal and chat people up. And I think you've been here before. Insulting my CSS skills doesn't hurt my feelings. Insult me about something that matters, just like my actual dev skills. Ryan, I can't. I like you, Ryan. You're a good guy. I can't. I'm not going to stoop to that level. I just won't stoop to that level. You know, I'm above that. Every time I get on stream and I talk a lot, my throat is like F you. Pretty soon I'll have a voice like Thor. It'll be deep. It'll be so deep. And to insult your dev skills, you have to assume you have any ghost. Ghost coming in hot. We're starting wars over here. Yeah, Ryan, you actually have to have dev skills. There's nothing to make fun of. I agree with Ghost on this one. I'm teaming up with Ghost, okay? Right. Ryan times out Ghost. Poor Ghost. Poor Ghost. Took a hit. Ghost flew a little bit too close to the sun. Know what I'm saying? Just a little too close to the sun, Ghost. Even having this streamer back you up wasn't enough to protect you, Ghost. You have no shield. There is no shield. The sword is too strong. Yeah, Raj, yeah. Get root list programmatically. Get roots, is that what it is? Root get roots, returns a root collection. Okay, let's go have a look at... Oh, I see. Well, let's tinker. Let's go on tinker. Where's my... If that's true, then we can essentially check this. Okay. Oh, it's gotta be a one-liner, huh? Value get path. Doesn't exist. Okay, I'm gonna have to go look at the source here. All right. These are mock things. Get facade root, default aliases, get, put, patch, fallback, permanent, redirect, view, resource, blah blah blah, group, add root, new root, dispatch. You can create roots on the fly with this thing? And this thing has a singleton? Oh, I guess it would have a singleton, wouldn't it? Yeah. Get middleware, alias middleware, middleware group push, remove. Damn, you can do quite a bit with this. I didn't realize there was so much stuff here. Anthony on YouTube, I love to have a debug artisan command for code snippets like that, so I can write code like a human. Artisan sucks on that, and I run something like PHP artisan debug to execute. Oh, that's a good idea, Anthony. Oh, Anthony, do you mind if I steal that from you? That's a good idea. I'm gonna write that down.
Voices sound excited, endless streets to see, but nothing's undecided, just pixels on the spree.
I'm writing. I'm actually writing. Sure, you can generate the command using PHP artisan make. Hang on. I gotta finish writing this before I forget. Okay, make command, debug command. It will create a new file, then you change the signature to debug and you execute it. Damn, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna try it right now because while I'm testing out this root stuff, I just want to see how well this works. That's a great idea, Anthony. Man, there's so many people who are smarter than me. It's no wonder I'm jobless. Still jobless. I mean, I have some contract work, so, and there's a chance that the contract work will be enough to effectively make me like equivalent to employed. I just am not 100% sure for now, like right this second, so. Alright, so now that we have that, well, you know what I could do? I could just go echo poops. My favorite thing to echo. There it is. Sweet. Thank you, Anthony. That's awesome. So now I can like run little snippets and test them. That's a fantastic idea. It's so simple. Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate that, man. That's really smart. So simple, so smart. Here we go. Let's get roots. I wonder if I could DD. I don't know if this will work. I'm curious. We'll just dump out a DD. Oh yeah, it will. It's awesome. Okay, if I go back to get roots, what I essentially want to do is I would like to look at the root collection. And in the root collection, I need to look at what I have access to. Flatten array of all the roots, lookup table, okay. Do you use a gaming PC as a coding machine? Ray, yes, I do. I have an older gaming, well, a gaming laptop. I have 2 laptops. I don't have enough space. I live in a tiny little apartment with a wife and a kid. There's not a lot of space in here, and the kind of PC that I would need takes up a lot of space. We've tried it before. It sucks. So I've got 2 laptops, and they're both gaming PCs, and I use one for work and I use one for gaming. So the older gaming laptop is for work, and then the newer gaming laptop is just for fun. Get by name. I think that's what I want. Get roots by name? Maybe let's try that. Get roots by name. Do you attach laptop to a monitor with a mouse and a keyboard? No, I use the laptop as is. The only thing I have is a keyboard and a mouse. I don't have an external monitor. I don't have anything external. Just keyboard, my own keyboard. I use the Ultimate Hacking keyboard, and then trackball mouse. Although the Ultimate Hacking keyboard does have a mouse built into the keyboard, but yeah. I suppose that worked. Screen doesn't bother you? Nope, doesn't bother me. If I need to, I zoom into whatever I need to zoom in. Maybe because I've gotten used to it. So maybe if I had room for a nice big monitor, I'd feel differently. I'd be like, oh my god, I've been missing out, for however many years it's been like this, a few years. But I guess currently I seem to be fine. It doesn't bother me at all. I can like zoom in, zoom out. It's fine. I just want to get a flat array of root names. Like this. That's a sanctum one. Okay. So actually what I want is paths. So not all great programmers have 2 monitors. I mean, I am an Omega GigaChad developer. And I don't have 2 monitors. That's right. You nailed it. I want to get it by path. How do I do that? Hey Ingest, how you doing, man? Good to see you. I'm working on a Laravel project that a colleague / friend of mine are trying to turn into a little business. using Laravel to do it. I'm just trying to figure something out right now. That's why I'm being a bit short. Okay. No, I just want a list of paths. Get root paths as array. That's all I want. This isn't really what I want. Maybe in the documentation. Watch, this doesn't really tell me what I want, right? Get roots. No. Let's just try this. Watch, it'll say get path. Oh, right. I gotta do, so get path is not found. Illuminate, support. Facades. Yeah, get path does not exist. You guys are leading me astray. Do you really have to do like a weird thing to get all the root paths? What the heck, Laravel? Okay. What if... Let's just take one root and see what the hell's going on in here. Some middleware, yeah. That's a name list. Okay, so what is this head? I guess I could just reference that. This is so weird. I should just be able to get a list of paths, you know, URI paths. Not the names, not anything stupid like that, just the paths. Okay, so router, roots, head. Oh, what the hell? Router, roots. Don't tell me this is what I have to do. Head. I should be able to just know this is for SRS coding time, yeah. Carpentry and plumbing stream, what real men do, yeah. Why aren't you using Phoenix? Ryan, because your mom. doesn't exist? Because this is so strange, man. What if I just did... no, this isn't going to work either. My mom left her Rust tutorial books at your house. Also, you probably need a tetanus shot, yeah. If I go back to this... So I think I'm just referencing it wrong. I think what I need to do is router routes this is the root collection. Yeah, for each router, for each root, get roots, root collection. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Okay. This is the part of Laravel I hate.
Travesty undecided, empire in his head. Can't pick a tech stack, better off bed. Swear words, fly his fingers, hit the keys. Debugging messes, bring him to his knees. Goes to sleep, think and see. Wakes up, JavaScript. Syntax switch, hitting, feeling sick. Python whispers.
So root collection is going to be an array of roots. Can I just do this? That should be a root collection. Root is not bound. You're not bound. Your mom's not bound. Anthony for the rescue here on YouTube. It's URI. Oh, Anthony, damn, man. All right, let's give it a shot here. So I'll just, yeah. All roots. Here, I want to, helps my brain when I write it out by hand. Roots as root. All roots append if you go URI. And then you would DD all roots. Watch this works. Friggin' hell, Anthony, this is embarrassing me on my own stream. Can you believe this guy coming in, showing off this really good Laravel skills? Friggin' Anthony, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's great. It was that simple, huh? So I just want to like understand what happened here. It's a root collection. This much I understand. But okay, so if I go router and then I go get roots, then it's going to go to a route collection interface. And then the route collection interface is going to have see, like, where on earth does it indicate that you can actually use URI? Is this just like a weird OOP inheritance thing? And it's just like you have to know? Like, this doesn't give me an indication that you could actually access URI as a function. so like, so each one is a root, which means you can call URI. I'm like, I guess if it's a collection of roots, I guess. So I guess it makes sense. I guess I'm just brain dead. And Antony's not brain dead. Like if I go, yeah. So I guess so that I have to remember that for next time. If you're doing a root collection, it is literally a collection of the root object. And the root object, the root class, I mean, would have URI as part of it. So that's all I was missing. I just didn't make that connection. Okay. Yeah. To be honest, I never see the specific docs. I just know that there's a command root list, so I just research his code inside a vendor. That's also smart, Anthony. Good job, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. The root canal? Yeah. Root canal. Okay, so I'm going to keep that in mind, that it's just... I guess it's supposed to make sense. If it's a root collection, it's a collection of this guy. And if it's an array of this guy, then you should be able to call URI. That's why getPath doesn't work, because there's no getPath. But all of these would work. So like if I was to do, just like for the heck of it, if I was to do getPrefix, right, like this should return something. Yeah. Yeah. If I was to do name. Oops. Yeah. Thank you, Anthony. So overcomplicated. Ryan, your mom's overcomplicated. Got him, boys. Got him. Okay. Thank you, Anthony. Sweet. So now I can use this so that when a creator lands on here and they're going to go fill out the path that they want to take, like Spiro's awesome Twitch, YouTube thing, then we'll check against the root list and make sure it's not taken. That way we can consider anything in the root list by path reserved. And then we'll have to do some checks, like you can't do slashes. You know, you can't do like params. You can't do like hashes. You know, things like that. We'll have to strip it out, which I bet you Laravel URL like validator. I bet you there's a, yeah, the validation object probably has a URL validator. Active URL? No, probably not. Probably something here, and then I thought you could pass extra parameters for like validating this in a particular way, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I gotta swing my own URL validator. So it's literally just a string. Maybe I just need to check for a string. That's it. Like a string. So this might be a simple regex. Match a simple regex string. Anything else is, that's probably all I need. URI.parse PHP. Get wrecked. Yeah, I guess I could use it on the JavaScript side. No, I don't want to do that though. I want backend. I don't think there's a URI class in Laravel. But I'm wondering though. No, this isn't what I wanted to do. I wonder if they have like a validator of some kind here. At this point, I'm just gonna ignore Ryan. Redirect match? No. Substitute string? No. Matched? I wonder what this is. Find model, get pattern, patterns, input, root is? No, I just want to confirm it's a good root. But even then, I think I'm just going to regex it. Backend regex it. Should be simple. I'm just curious though. Where alphanumeric? What is this? Okay, first of all, matched. Callback? No, screw you. Where alphanumeric? Parameters? Root registrar? What's going on here? Attributes to pass through allowed attributes. Yeah, this isn't going to help me. Interesting though. Interesting. Yeah, I'll just regex validate it on the back end. Hey, Gurmeister, thank you for the follow just now. Appreciate it. Say hi if you're here. But if you're doing a flyby follow, thank you anyways, man. I'm gonna shut it down in about 3 minutes. Hey, Gur. What brings you over here, man? Hope you're doing well, bud. Thanks again for the follow. Great, just discovering code streamers to hang out while working from home. Nice. Well, thanks for popping in here. I appreciate it. I'm just doing some Laravel on a side project. I thought I'd stream for a couple hours. Usually I stream a lot more, but I've been doing some stuff lately. I've been busy. And unfortunately, I'm going to shut down in a minute or two here because I got to go do some stuff. But I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to do like a full day tomorrow. I'm going to be looking at some studies and statistics and stuff for a project I'm working on. Just wait until we start screaming about bad frameworks. Man, Gur, if you want to go back through the months of content I have some unhinged rants, man. You enjoy unhinged rants. I gotcha. I might drop one or two tomorrow too. HTMX rants, yeah. Oh, yeah. I can rant positively about HTMX though. That's a thing. I like HTMX. That's the thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm sorry. I know, Gur. I know you just hopped on. It's just bad timing. But I'll be on tomorrow. I'll go on for a longer stream. Do a few things. But I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna find someone to raid on the Twitch side. Shift you guys over. Let me go like, let's see. Who's doing dev work? Yeah, you too, Gur. You too, man. Someone who doesn't have a lot of viewers right now. Game Jam. Custom chat overlay for OBS. ASMR programming. That sounds about right. Yeah, go.bullet hell. Ooh, beginner building with C using OpenGL and SDL. Oh, we're going there, folks. C, OpenGL, and SDL? That sounds awesome. Okay, so on the Twitch side, I'm going to take you guys over there. Let me make sure he's actually doing stuff. Because he doesn't seem active. It seems like the thing is... Yeah, I don't think he's doing anything. I better not send you guys over there. Hang on. Let me find someone else. Chris Griffin is always a good choice. But I just want to see if we can find someone else. Game dev, lots of people doing game dev stuff today. I don't know. There's not a lot of people telling Vulkan to render more things. 3D engine from scratch. Yes, Meisaka. That's where we're going. All right. That's where we're going. That's Travis style. Okay, this is Travis style because Travis Roman is creating his own Vulkan game engine from scratch too. So we're gonna go over there. We're gonna go over to Meisaka. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so make sure you say hi. Thanks everyone for dropping in. I know it wasn't much of a stream today, but I'll be back tomorrow. I'll do something different that will hopefully open doors to some unhinged rants and arguments and debates, which would be fun. I appreciate it. Thank you everyone on the YouTube side as well. And anyone else who might be watching out there that I don't know. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Whatever you're doing. We'll see you later, folks.